Hello everyone, myself Sakshi Bani. I studying in FI Computer Science from Gokte Jogekar College, Ratnagiri. Today I want to explain about some innovative topic. I choose the topic 5G technology. Everybody knows the 5G technology is the latest technology in the world. So let's get started. These are the content of 5G technology. In this video, I include 7 contents related to 5G technology. Now I will explain in detail. There is an introduction about 5G. First we can see what is 5G and then what does it offer. So what is 5G? 5G is the 5th generation mobile network. It is complete wireless communication. It is also called real wireless world. Now South Korea, China and United States are the countries that lead the world including and deploying 5G technology. Then what 5G offer? 5G technology has extraordinary data capabilities. It has a high connectivity as compared to 4G. It has more power and feature clear audio and video. There is an evolution from 1G to 5G. 1G was released in 1979. At the time of 1G, we are unable to transfer any data. Second is 2G. 2G was released in 1990. When 2G was released, we can able to send text or SMS using internet, but we are use only 0.5 speed. Third is 3G. 3G was released in 2005. At the time of 3G, there is a high-speed wireless connection. We can able to call by using video calling. We can playing games also. Fourth is 4G. 4G was released in 2010. It has faster than 3G. Update video quality and various games full HD. Now coming to the 5G. 5G was released in 2020. In this generation, all devices are able to connect to the internet. It has unlimited data capacity. Now coming to the point 5G magic skills. There are 3 magic skills. First, high bandwidth. High bandwidth 5G uses frequencies of 24 to 27 GHz near the bottom of the millimeter wave band, although higher frequency may be used in the future. Second, low latency. 5G technology offers an extremely low latency rate, the delay between the sending or receiving information. Third, dense connection. 5G mobile broadband supports a far higher number of devices in a given area, enabling the connection up to 1 million devices per square kilometer. Now come to the point features of 5G. First, high resolution for crazy cell phones users. Second, bi-direction large BW. Third, less traffic. Fourth, 25 Mbps connectivity speed. 6. Enhanced and available connectivity just about the world. 7th, uploading and downloading speed of 5G technology, the peak. And last, better and fast solution. Now coming to the point, advantages of 5G. First, data BW of 1 Gbps or higher. Second, globally accessible. Third, dynamic information access. Fourth, available at low cost. There are some many disadvantages of 5G technologies which are harmful for human, birds, environment, etc. First one is immediate obsolescence. Second, technological exclusion. Third, insufficient infrastructure. Fourth, risks in security and proper data handling. Fifth, developing infrastructure need high cost. Now, applications of 5G. First one is wearable devices with artificial intelligence capabilities. Second, global networks. Third, media independent handover. Fourth, radio research management. Fifth, with sixth sense technology. So, the conclusion of 5G technology is the new coming 5G technology will be available in the market at affordable rates, high peak feature and much reliability than preceding technologies. Thank you.